Hold on to your hats, folks. Have you ever seen two giant airplanes landing at the same time? Not one after the other, but side by side. It's like a perfectly choreographed dance in the sky. We call this a parallel landing. These landings are not for the faint of heart. They take incredible skill and precision from the pilots. Imagine steering a bus-sized vehicle through the air, knowing another one is right beside you. Now imagine doing that while also dealing with wind, rain, and other planes in the air. It's a tough job, but someone's got to do it, and these pilots make it look easy. Parallel landings are a team effort. It's not just about the pilots in the cockpit. Air traffic controllers play a crucial role. They're like the conductors of an orchestra, guiding each plane to its designated runway. Using radar and communication systems, they talk to the pilots, giving them precise instructions. Maintain your speed, they might say, or adjust your course slightly. These instructions ensure a smooth and safe landing for both planes. It's like a well-oiled machine. Everyone knows their part, and they work together seamlessly. It's amazing to see such coordination and professionalism in action. Parallel landings happen more often than you might think. Busy airports with lots of air traffic use them to get planes on the ground quickly. It's all about efficiency. Think about places like London, New York, or Tokyo. These cities have huge airports with tons of planes coming and going. Parallel landings are essential for keeping things running smoothly. But it's not just big airports. Smaller airports might use parallel landings if they have two runways close together. So the next time you're at the airport, keep an eye out. There are some truly incredible parallel landings caught on camera. One famous example is at San Francisco International Airport. Two planes, one landing over the water and the other over the land, touched down at the exact same time. It's a sight to behold. Then there's the video of two massive cargo planes landing side by side. These planes are gigantic. Seeing them glide down in perfect unison is awe-inspiring. These landings are a testament to human ingenuity and skill. They remind us that even in the busiest of skies, with careful planning and communication, amazing things are possible. So next time you're flying, take a moment to appreciate the magic of parallel landing.